It's counting time with elephants in a marching line. Stomp, stomp, big and bright. Let's count them left and right. One little elephant stomping through the trees, wiggling his trunk in the morning breeze. Two little elephants splashing by the stream, trumpeting together, what a happy team. Three little elephants dancing all around, spinning in a circle, making silly sounds. Four little elephants marching side by side, left foot, right foot, what a joyful ride. Stomp, stomp, big feet go, counting elephants one by one in a row. Five little elephants playing in the sun, sliding down the hill, oh what fun. Six little elephants blowing water high, rainbows in the air up in the sky. Seven little elephants eating yummy snacks, bananas and peanuts from jungle sacks. Eight little elephants all begin to cheer, counting with friends is fun right here. Stomp, stomp, let's count again, from 1 to 8 with all our friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 little elephants, wasn't that great?